Hello and welcome back. Next day. The previous day, so I was driving nighttime and managed to do a 91 kilometer. So in the summer it was half a day daytime, windy, and then on the second part nighttime. I really enjoyed quiet night, driving along the seaside, saw the amazing sunset. Perfect day basically. And today the crazy day as usual. Fuck knows why. I have no idea where I am now. As usual, I have to, so pretty much I followed the road and then bam, from no reason, private land, and then literally I have to go all around 1 kilometer circle to avoid this path and then get back on the road. But I went there and I can see a railway, which is as well I can't cross. There is a massive fines and everything. Also there is a massive how does it called, like a wall with the spikes, which is not allowed anyone to climb. So it does seems like a vineyard or something like that, but basically yeah. So basically go along that crazy route basically, and then looking how I can cross the actual path, because this is the crazy ones. Still trying to find a solution. After 10-15 minutes, probably understandable where I've been, and then what I've been doing from the condition of my tires. It was a labyrinth to find the right way. The road conditions are pretty rough. That's what's probably expected from the mountain bike trails. Just finished with that dirty roads basically. Drive for maybe 5 minutes into the again a bit better condition path, but I will show you in a moment. Can't really stay for long as the rain basically still not about me. But yeah, no way! Oh my god, did I just get punctured? No? Show me the magic how you're gonna seal itself. No way! Yeah. I'm not read really instructions, but it does say it's like you have to seal itself. Because I just got punctured. I can see I have a little less air inside, but looks like hopefully we'll be alright. We'll double check on that. It wasn't, I didn't expect that. So basically what I'm proud of, and then what I actually think that it was a good investigation. So I'm soaking wet. I have full waterproof combo, rain jacket, rain trousers on me. They are waterproof, all good. But I'm already done 22 kilometers, which is already 2 hours on the road, which normally under this weather condition, after, let's say, half an hour, shoes are wet. But now, even though I have a little hole in my shoe, socks seems okay. What does annoy me that I just couldn't get on time the speedometer, which is under this kind of conditions. I'm using the phone screens gets wet, and then ay. How deep is it? Pretty deep. So under these weather conditions, basically just rain itself. Not an idea how, but sometimes it's push the bottoms and then just literally do the nonsense on the phone, like press the somewhere and then it's like I have to recenter, so I can't follow the road. But the road is, for me, is really intense, so at every couple 100 meters I have to turn. So, and under these circumstances I don't have even to wipe it off or dry the phone. So like even if I go under the raincoats and then try to dry out, phone works a little bit, but it's basically it's not the best. So yeah, so this is annoying. The actual rain, it's called mushroom rain, and between shower. So mushroom rain, it's, how I can say, is like, under my understanding, is like is light rain where you can still go and can see the road. Basically is like still tolerable. And the shower rain is like when you actually, it's called shower because you put the shampoo on yourself and you can have a shower. So I have only this combo. It's either possible or not possible. The not possible, you can't even really see the road in front. Yeah, you have to have like a wipers on your eyes. So yeah, other than that, I have under the raincoat I have like how many layers? 1, 2, 3 layers more. So I'm in comfort temperature. Basically when I'm climbing on the mountains I'm start sweating, but on the flat, it's just perfect. And it does seems like it's gonna be a whole day like that. So yesterday I even managed to have like competitions with the other cyclists and gravel as well who was going off-road. So I was in on the 70 out of 90 kilometers, and we was racing like for a good 10 kilometers, I would say. He was local, definitely local. He knew the tricks, but I win on the climbing. So when I got back to the sleeping location, I was absolutely knackered to the point that I need to use like a cheat things to get my body work again, like a salt water, electrolytes, sugar, like sugar, pure sugar, and then I can start, eat, recover, massage, etc. Because it's like it was super tiring, which is not the healthiest way to do it, but that's how you understand the limits, and then how you go over the limits, and then you can understand your body as well. What does it say? You can feel the thin line before the injuries happen, and you can get higher boundaries like this. Then you understand the levels. So for example, like people were saying, oh, you need to train zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5, and then people were saying like, oh, it's the best is to go on zone 2 and then carry on like long distances. That's how you improve the stamina, but I'm not really agree at this point, because we need to have a mixture of everything. So even zone 5. So how you're gonna raise your max heart rate if you're not gonna carry on to the maximum level? So for example, my heart rate was, when I was on the racing tempo, my heart rate was maximum 195 so far reach, and I reached 202. And then obviously I've been checking myself with the doctors and everything about the hard conditions. How does it feels like, like on the chamber, basically when you pedal, testing it like this. So I know the feel and then the safe zones. So they agree with me as well. Other than this, basically this is the last day of the intensity week, the peak week called, where is the accumulated the most intensive workouts, and this like the peak week, the peak point of the peak week. Myself, I've done 3 weeks of the peak week, so I was reach like on the intensity, was like a racing intensity, and I was raising the bar till the moment today. And then from now on, when I finish today and then tomorrow part of day, it will be like a taper week, which will be just to get energy back, regain like a fully energy back straight away after this ride, having a full recovery massage, sport massage called, which is absolutely amazing thing to have after the intensive training like this. Had it experience that as well I was doing like this. So I was traveling for 14 days and done roughly around 100 like basically 100 kilometers each day. And then on the basically on 10th day I had a sports massage, like a day off sports massage. And then the next day I was like, I've done 200 kilometers, reached the record, absolute record. I never done this before, so it's amazing thing to do it, especially the sport one. So when it goes into more deeper level tissues and muscular based, not only the like a touch based, but with the push, elbows, knees if it's necessary, to get the access to the layers of the muscle tissues. Yeah. So in taper week, you can't really, this is as all important, it's not like it's just a chill week while you just regaining energy and eating food before the competition happen. Many people do like this, and they regain the actual energy back after the intensive training. But but you need to understand that too much rest as well it's not good. So you need to as well, while you're resting, do the like active recovery, so like a cross training, just to not lose that, basically, like to have that readiness ready on the peak. So that's what's waiting ahead, and then after will be the long waiting competitions. And today as well, what I'm planning to do, on the perfect, if that would like 10, to reach again 100 kilometers in these conditions. Pit stop, getting changed completely everything, and then basically that's the way how I'm dried my clothes. Not all clothes, but mainly socks. Pushed. So I have a last combo of my dry clothes, 5 kilometers into the drive, and I faced now a challenge, which is a 50-50, basically a chance to get dry away. So basically here I am. It's a super deep, to the deep of it's already, it would touch my feet. I'm here on the slight bend of a little dry here patch. On the other side it's hard to climb over. So what I'm going to do, not sure if that's the best idea, but we'll try somehow like cross, but it does looks like it's just, I'm not sure, like literally by holding the fence somehow cross. Oh, yeah. No way. So waterproof clothes gone, as they literally falling apart. So last dry set left. Yeah, and then basically the weather conditions as well, it's not unpredictable, and it does looks like at the moment now it's okay, it's not raining, but it can start anytime. And I checked it, the weather forecast as well is like 75 to 80% in the area of raining. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Nice. There's a sheep. So because of this, I was planning to do a little bit more kilometers today, but I have to a bit readjust plans, and I'm going to pick basically the closest place where I can stay, and then I will resume the journey tomorrow early morning, very early morning. So we'll have a rest, dry clothes, everything. Yeah, and I have in the supported vehicle as well some of the clothes I can make it waterproof. It was the emergency as well, but yeah, by the moment it is how it is. 15 kilometers left to go, fully unprotected from the weather, and there is no, basically just like a jumper. So I have a jumper, another jumper, and then t-shirts. So basically they are not really windproof as well, but because of the 3 layers they are sort of. So yeah, so see you soon. It's just 1 kilometer left to the finish line. Start the train, so still dry, so perfect, I made it. It just literally in that, I would say like 5 kilometers distance, I've got 2 punctures. So a lot of glasses, but it's really nice city called Kent. Absolutely amazing. Nice infrastructure, quite a lot of sport people around, a bit busy, maybe depend. It's London not far from, yeah, it's all, but those inner tubes with the sealant inside, it does wonders basically. Nice. You just literally, like a second, it seals it straight away. So today in total 3 punctures, and I'm not even put the air more inside in the tire, and I'm still driving. So perfect, 10 to 10. So okay, nothing else to show. I need the rest, and then see you tomorrow.